I'm just going to move this out of the way so everyone can see me. Ladies and gentlemen, my name is Conor Anthony Patrick Carey, or C-A-P Cap. Wait a minute, is that why the lads call me handicapped? I was never really very good at golf. The balls were too hard. Ladies and gentlemen, I'm just using these cue cards tonight because I have dyspraxia. And for those of you who aren't aware of what dyspraxia is, it basically means that you put the middle at the end, the start in the middle, and and the end at the start. So, ladies and gentlemen, good night. So just for those of you, as David said, I am a local, I'm from Swords. Yeah, thank you, give it up for Swords. How long's that, David? So I am from Swords, and one of the things, so a lot of people might recognise me from being from Swords, of course. Some of you might be the lads here in front of me, the boys from work as well, thanks for coming. I'm also went to St. Cronan's School. Thanks, man. And the Bros, where I was told I was never fucking good enough. So I'm now an alcoholic. Guys, another thing that you might recognise me from is the fact that I get the Swords Express. Anybody heard of the Swords Express? Oh, the fucking Swords Express! What a fucking coincidence. Shut up, David. Yes, just for those of you who aren't aware, the Swords Express leaves Monday to Friday from Swords Manor, 06:01, that's the 24-hour clock, and arrives on Eden Quay at 06:39. That's still the 24-hour clock. On Saturdays, it starts at 07:31 and arrives at Eden Quay at 08:13. Very precise. And on Sundays, they really ring out the changes. Anyone had any ideas what time it leaves at? Glenn? 08:46. Right, so that I accidentally back counted to try and figure out what it is. 08:46 and arrives at Eden Quay at 09:20. Didn't even match my head. And just for anyone who does want any more information on the Swords Express, you can visit Swords Express at www.swordsexpress.ie. Glenn, write it down. That's www.swordsexpress. Write it down, Glenn. swordsexpress.ie. Alright. And next week, for anyone who's interested, we will be doing the 15 and 14 to Merrion Square. That's not regular. Guys, just a quote off there. Glenn is actually my genuine real brother, so that's really great. Guys, another great thing about the Swords Express is that you actually meet some great characters, genuinely. I mean, I met an American guy there one day, he's sitting beside me, and he turns around and he goes, and I just said, how are you? And he goes, oh my God, you're Irish. And I go, well, yeah, you're in fucking Dublin. And he goes, I love the Irish. And I go, where the fuck do you think you are? And he goes, I'm Irish too. And I go, alright, grand, yeah, cheers, fair enough. And he goes, my great-great-grandfather's first cousin's brother's mother's son-in-law's dog was Irish. So that makes me Irish too. And I said, no it doesn't, pal. That makes you a fucking idiot. And he goes, well, you're not so smart yourself, man. And I go, why? And he goes, Well, if those trousers were any fucking greener, you might be looking like Peter Griffin. Ladies and gentlemen, good night.